In linguistics, word formation is the creation of a new word. Word formation is sometimes contrasted with semantic change, which is a change in a single word's meaning. The boundary between word formation and semantic change can be difficult to define. A new use of an old word can be seen as a new word derived from an old one and identical to it in form. Word formation can also be contrasted with the formation of idiomatic expressions, although words can be formed from multi-word phrases. Types of word formation. There are a number of methods of word formation. Morphological word formation. There are two subcategories. Words created by derivation and words created by conversion. Derivation. Derivation is the process of forming new words from existing ones by adding affixes to them, like shame plus less plus ness or shamelessness. In cases in which there is a one-to-one correspondence between affixes and syntactical categories, this is known as agglutination, as seen in agglutinative languages. Conversion. Also known as zero affixation, conversion involves forming a new word from an existing identical one, like forming the verb green from the existing adjective. Marlikp, blending. A blend is a word formed by joining parts of two or more older words. An example is smog, which comes from smoke and fog, or brunch, which comes from breakfast and lunch. Subcategories of blending are, acronym, clipping, recalc. A recalc is a word or phrase borrowed from another language by literal, word-for-word or root-for-root translation. For example, the English phrase to lose face is a calque from Chinesiano equals. A subcategory of recalcing is the semantic loan, that is, the extension of the meaning of a word to include new, foreign meanings. Neologism. A neologism is a completely new word, like quark. Subcategories of neologisms include, the eponym, a proper noun that becomes commonly used for an idea it is associated with, usually by changing its part of speech, like Xerox, Orwellian, and stentorian, the loanword, a word borrowed from another language, as cliché copyright is from French, an onomatopoeic word, a word which imitates natural sounds, like the bird name cuckoo, formation using phono-semantic matching, that is, matching a foreign word with a phonetically and semantically similar pre-existing native word root. Literature, Hadamard Busman, Routledge Dictionary of Language and Linguistics, London, Routledge. Joachim Gzger, Bezeichnungswandel, Y, Wareham, Wozu. Ian Beitrag zur englischen Undulgmen und Onomasiology, Heidelberg, Winter. Peter Koch, a Euro-OE lexical typology from a cognitive and linguistic point of view. A Euro, and D. Alan Crusail, Lexicology, an international handbook on the nature and structure of words and vocabularies / lexicology, in Internationals Handbuch zur Natur und Struktur von Wap Paragraph RTERN und Wörter Currencies Handbuch 1/4 zur Sprach und Kommunikationswissenschaft 21, Berlin, New York, Walter de Guita, Volume 1, pages 1142 to 1178. Elad Zuckerman. Language Contact and Lexical Enrichment in Israeli Hebrew. Hound Mills, Palgrave Macmillan ISBN 1-4039-1723-X.